Here's a little something we haven't had in a while. It's actually raining decently. It's actually been raining a good part of the morning. What time is it? It's been raining for an hour at least. This is good though because I think I forgot to water my tomato plant last night, so it's getting water now, so it's not so bad. Yeah, this is kind of nice. Having rain finally. All the grass and stuff around here kind of needs it. But hopefully this video will upload. I've been having troubles uploading videos from my phone lately, or at least the past day or so. A couple of them are. There's one that I have right now that's stuck in upload limbo, so I may end up having to hook my phone up to the computer and put those on there to upload from the computer. Which I hate doing because that's a pain in the ass with extra steps, but you know, whatever I have to do, it's all good. But stay in here and enjoy this rain. So y'all take care.